After our Octopus Islands adventure, we ran back to the city for 10 days. With everything back on track, we headed to Pender Harbour for a few nights with friends. From Pender Harbour, we traveled 30 nautical miles to Tenedos Bay. We had a great whale show at Myrtle Point just before Powell River. These gray whales are magnificent. All right, well, here we are at the entrance to Desolation Sound. We're back on the water. We've just passed Oakover Inlet down by the Laughing Oyster. And now we are heading up to Tenedos Bay. We're going to anchor there for a couple of days. I'll keep you posted. Tenedos Bay is situated on the west side of West Redonda Island in Humphrey Channel, east of Mink Island. We found a beautiful anchorage at the opposite end from the trailhead to Unwin Lake. It was protected from the wind, and we anchored in about 25 feet of water. Here we are in Tenedos Bay. We are actually over on the other side of the hill. We were rafted with about 9 other boats, and then everyone left this morning, and we decided to move over here and try a new spot. It was smoking hot, so we decided to take the dinghy to the opposite end of the bay and hike to the lake. Today we are taking a little hike to Unwin Lake. We've got the dinghy on the sproing. It's supposed to be like a 12-minute walk. I'll let you know when we get there. Stay to the left and look for a sunny spot on the rocks. And remember, no soap, no shampoo.